All right, guys, what's going on with Ethereum? Are we going up? Are we going down? What's happening? Take a look at that in this video today. Guys, congratulations for everybody who got into the Avalanche trade. I'll do a very quick update on this. We are now back into this trade and we're sitting down just a little bit, 1.35% right now. I'll show you guys some signs of why I think the market can start heading back up here soon. We'll go over that. We did actually end up taking our 112th win for 112 wins and still at 0 losses, guys. We've never lost a trade, and it will be extremely hard for us to ever lose a trade because of how well I honestly spread out our risk management. I've been doing this for so long that, after 100 wins in a row, it's like we kind of know how to not lose trades anymore. So if you guys want to trade with us, get a membership. I'll show you that to you guys in this video, but it's linked in the description. Join us. You'll get access to the Telegram channel, the metrics, all that. Actually, let me just show it to you real quick so we can just get this out of the way with. Not to get it out of the way, but currently 112 wins, 0 losses. It's just $95 a month, guys. We give you a full metrics suite that I'm actually going to be going over today for all the coins to track what whales and institutions are doing. A lot of people are like, man, if I just knew what whales were doing and what smart money was doing, what institutions were doing, I could be a better trader. That's literally what I'm giving you guys, and you'll see this on today's video, and I'll prove to you guys why it is so accurate. In the Telegram channel, I'm going to call it every single trade I take. Every entry, every exit, I'll give links to you guys for all the entries on the website so you can copy me 100%. Masterclass videos are all yours, guys, to watch, and then we're going to go live next month in a Zoom call so we can all join together and talk about our wins. But we're targeting 120 wins for 120 wins in the month of March. So guys, it's super exciting. Go to the front page, scroll down to Ethereum charts, and let's dive in here. So start up here with the trend dashboard. I want to know what retail traders are doing. That's why we have this indicator. When all of these are green, I'm looking for institutions to start actually shorting or selling the market. This is putting a lot of buying power, or what they actually call liquidity for shorts or sells, into the market from retail traders getting excited because their indicators are all looking bullish. This is a FOMO period where retail traders are like, oh, let's buy, let's buy, let's buy. I'm not saying the price can't keep going up, but more times than not, when all of these are green, we are looking for moves back down, and it follows suit, and I'll prove this to you guys over here in a second. Price risk, well, money flow. Trend exhaustion. When we push up in the top red section here and well money flow is high, we did not head up too much further. We did end up seeing that move back down. Now that we push down to the bottom red section here and well money flow is low, the moment that we push down there, guys, do you see what happened at that moment? Let me get this a little bit bigger so we can just keep this a little bit nicer view here. Trend exhaustion pushed down to the bottom right here. Let me get my crosshairs out. That's exactly when it happened. Look at where it happened up here. Let me go back down so you can see this. It wasn't over there. It was right about there. That is exactly at the bottom here for a move back up. Okay. Now, this wasn't an ideal spot for you guys who are scalping. We really want to watch for the market to be anxious and fearful, and then we want to scalp. That scalping position was actually back over here. If you guys looked at any of these spots or this spot over here for 3 to 4%, and you easily made your 3 to 4%. So great job for those of you guys who scalped the market. If you did end up taking this, yes, you've already won your 3 to 4%, but it wasn't an amazing entry. But just letting you guys know, that's where that is currently sitting. Okay. We are officially broken above the descending resistance, guys, and a break and retest pattern is probably what we're going to see here for a move back up. These indicators, watch them closely, because the next time we see this pushed up into the top red section here and well money flow is high, this is where I'm looking for drops back down. I showed you guys we saw it over there when we pushed up here to the top red section as well as here. That's when we saw the move down as well. These indicators are 84% off in the description. We have never, and we will never have these indicators this low ever again. I really appreciate, guys, we hit 50,000 subscribers. We have the highest win rate on all of YouTube. How are we doing that, guys? With the indicators. So if you see this and you're like, whoa, hey, I could do this. I could wait for the trend exhaustion to be high and well money flow to be high, and I could take out short trades and make money. Or I could wait for the trend exhaustion to be low, well money flow low, and I could make money doing that. Guys, seriously, we have people trading for a living doing tens of thousands of dollars with the indicators alone. Just look at the testimonials over here if you guys get a second today. Literally, they're all right here. Watch what people are saying. Pretty awesome. So we're going to use that. The next time we push up here and the well money flow is high, I'm going to look for a drop back down on Ethereum, which is probably going to be at structure high right around this area, which I would say right around, let me get this out here again. What are we looking at? $3,000? That's the psychological whole number that we're looking at, $3,000. So that's where I'd be looking for a move back down. If this is broken, which I will show you guys the metrics over here for where I think we're going to go, the next target is just simply up here at structure high, and it's at basically 3,300. So 3,000 and 3,300 are our targets. All right, let's all transition over here. The emotional index is sitting in the greedy section. Okay, what do you do when you see greedy? You need to go back to see what's happened in the past when we pushed up here in these areas. Now, there are times when we pushed up here that we have continued to move up in a very nice bull market, but there are also times when we've absolutely crashed over here. We got up into the excited area here. We saw a move down. We saw this move down. We pushed up into greedy, overextended itself, and saw a huge crash. A huge crash. All right, this drop over here pushed us into a big crash. This just got excited and we saw another crash in the market. So could we be seeing a crash come into the market, or is this a simple higher low formation to continue us on the uptrend? That's what we're trying to assess here. But overall, guys, this is a sentiment here that we are looking for moves down. But let's give ourselves more data. Long versus short trades. Long trades are moving down. Not a positive sign that we're just going to keep skyrocketing up. If it was, I would want to see long trades increase and short trades decrease. The only thing here that shows me that we could have a chance of moving up is short trades are not drastically moving up. They are actually moving down with long trades as well. So this is kind of a mute point here. When long trades are up and short trades are down, that's where we're looking for the pumps. Now look at this. This is interesting. This is actually a bullish sign in my opinion. Market cap is moving up here while the price is moving up here. So this means that market cap is staying consistent with price. Money is literally flowing out of other altcoins and it's coming into Ethereum right now. That's the only way this can go up, because this is not the market cap of Ethereum. It is the market cap relative to the overall crypto market. It's a different market cap, okay? So when you guys are looking at this, if this green line ever moves up on any of your favorite coins we have on the website, get excited. That means money is flowing into that coin and out of others, which is a bullish sign, okay? So it means it's very healthy right now. Let's continue down. Trades in favor, we were sitting up here in a good short trade. Right when that happened up here, we saw the drop. So great job. The metrics are doing what they're supposed to do. Well, in institutional smart money, these guys came over here and they were like, hey, price is moving up. We're going to look to take some shorts out in the market. Great. They've already made some money on their shorts back down. What we're seeing now is look at how aggressive this got really fast right there. Right up in this area, we saw it get really aggressive and we saw them move back down. But now look at what's happening. It's drastically moving back towards the center. And actually, we may end up start pushing back into good long trades here soon if this market starts moving back down any further. These guys control the markets. If you guys want to watch these metrics every day, here's what I recommend you watching. The emotional index, long versus short trades, the market cap strength, as well as the well institutional smart money. The trades in favor are amazing. These other indicators or metrics down here, more so they're metrics. These are great, but if you guys really want to get a grasp on the market, it's the well institutional smart money. Like, this is ridiculous. When these guys buy here, the price just goes up. When they buy over here, the price goes up. They bought over here, the price went up. They bought over here, the price went up. They bought over here, the price went up. Okay? It's just like when these guys buy, the price goes up. And then when they sell, it's like, it's, you know, watch for the drops. Like when they sell, watch for the drops. When they start taking short trades out, watch for the drops. So use these metrics to your guys' advantage. Now, support resistance prices, I kind of already went over this a little bit. My target prediction is 3,000, obviously, but then it's basically 3,300. That's where I kind of think this next area sits for us. It's like, that's the strongest resistance I can see. So that's around this area right here. As far as the move down, guys, the support is sitting down here at 2,445. Okay, I do not think we're going to hit the support here before we see another move back up. That is what I'm feeling, guys. And I'm looking at this from a market cap perspective where this is just seeing hundreds of millions of dollars flood into Ethereum lately. This is a huge shoot up in market cap here. So I think people in Wells are buying this because I think that the breakout's going to continue. Dollar cost average entries here, and I'll show you guys how to get into a trade setup here so you can make money because we're not losing any. So might want to join us. So dollar cost average entries, anybody who took this in the last couple of weeks, great job. You're all in the profit right here. This metric shows you guys how to get into trades. This shows you guys where we're looking for drops. And this was a great job at calling this drop in the market before it happened. So once this market starts heading back up here, I will be looking for this red bar to come out to give us a sign that we could be dropping back down. Okay. Today's trade setup, I want to keep this private here, but I know I showed you guys a little bit of it, but here's how you guys trade this. Come over here to the menu bar, go to crypto charts, and then go to Bitcoin. All right. scroll all the way down to the bottom, and here's how you guys trade. You guys can watch this video to see exactly how to do this, but I'll make this really simple for you. There's 4 yellow lines and there's 1 green line. There's 4 buy limits, 1 sell limit. So choose the amount you want to enter in with. Let's say it's $1,000. Split it into 4 equal portions. That's $250. Place $250 at each of the yellow lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it, guys. Once your first buy limit is hit, set a sell limit up on the green line up here in your exchange. I literally show you guys how to do this down here in the video, so make sure you watch this if you want. Some pro tips you guys can read as well. Here's the deal. Just follow me in Telegram and I'll call this all out for you guys. Like, here's the deal. I already called an exit at the stop loss move on AVAX, and we did a stop loss move, and that created our 112th win. And then what I did is I just came down here and I said, all right, guys, I'm entering back into AVAX. Here's the buy limits I'm using. And then I told you guys again over here, hey, I'm getting back into a market order on the buy limits. Every single move I take over here, guys, for these trades, I'm just going to call out, and everybody can follow this. So everybody is in the AVAX trade right now. So congratulations, guys, because I'm going to be watching that for possibly our 113th win. So great job for getting into the Telegram channel with the indicators that we've got on sale. So let me go over and talk to you guys about this real quick about the indicators. The indicators, the price per swell, money flow, trend dashboard, trend exhaustion. We have the craziest sell going on right now. We've actually never had the indicators lower than this. I was doing the research on this. I'm like, oh yeah, we just actually upped the prices of the 3 main indicators. So this really is the lowest we have ever had the indicators. Okay, guys, we will not have the indicators lower than this. We will never have them lower than this. Please hear me out on that. Click this link here and enter coupon code MARCH. Okay, enter coupon code MARCH. This will give you guys the cheapest we have ever had the indicators on sale. And we are going to be raising the price of this $331. You have 10 days left. I'm giving you guys full time here, so you guys aren't coming out here April 1st and like, what the heck? All the prices went up. Okay, get it before the end. You guys can scalp with these. We have people literally trading for a living doing this. Come on here and watch the testimonials. Now, let me correct something. When I say trading for a living, there are some people who are doing great. Like this guy down here did $80,000 and took his account to 120K, and that was from February. So February, March. So we're talking about 2 months there. That's about 40K. I think he's probably doing well living off of $40,000. Now, yes, it's a bigger account, but when I say trading for a living, 40,000 should be enough for him to live off of for, possibly for the next 6 months or the year, and that's 2 months worth, and he's using the indicators and the strategy over here. This guy used the indicators, he's like, I feel like a god now. So when I talk about these indicators, these are really helping people do, honestly, just a great job at making money. This guy did $4,000 plus in 24 hours. Okay, just using the indicators. Like, they're not even using our strategy. If you use our strategy, and we've never lost a trade, use the indicators, guys, and like $4,000 in 24 hours is kind of ridiculous. It pays for your membership, the indicators, for like, I think it almost pays, let's see, it pays for a few years, actually. This guy just paid for all the indicators in his membership for like a few years down the road with one day. It's kind of crazy. So anyways, this guy, he's up $2,000 on this testimonial, and it just kind of gets ridiculous. This guy's up $12,000 in the bear market with our indicators and our trading method, and his friends were down 65%. It's like, thank you again. Anyways, guys, I love this. This makes me so excited when you guys share this with us. So get the membership. We're going to try to target 120 wins in the month of March, which is going to be pretty fun. And then, guys, just make sure you have the indicators. You're going to see this now. I'm going to talk about this a lot, but just get them on sale. It's really the best thing to do. I just don't want you guys coming out here and being like, hey, Travis, we've had people be like, hey, can we get the indicators? I know you upped the price. And we don't, guys. I know I sound like a jerk, but it's like, we do this because we want to literally protect the integrity of what we say. Like, if I just tell you guys the price is going to go up and we just continue it for a few other days for other people, that's not honest. So we literally are going to cut this off, and you will not be able to enter this coupon code after the 31st. So make sure you guys snag this, and I think you guys really like this. These are individual indicators. You get all 9 indicators with the bundle pack, not just the 3, and you guys get the source code to all of the indicators, so nobody can take these away from you. If Jesus takes me home to heaven and I'm not able to operate this, you guys still get the source codes to the indicators, so you get them for life. It's why I like doing it like that. I'm not saying I'm going anywhere anytime soon, but that's why we do that for you guys. Have an amazing day. I'll keep you guys updated. I think this is just a simple lower high formation for a continuation up for the rest of the week. Yes, we could head lower, but I do think we're going to keep heading up and not hit support. I think we're going to see a bullish run continue into the rest of this week. All right, guys, God bless you. Have an amazing day. Links to the membership as well as the indicators in the description. Get those, guys. Come trade with us. Have a blast, and email us at betradeconfident@gmail.com if you have any questions. Not only do you guys get to trade with us, and take those wins and have the indicators, but we have a team here that can literally help you whenever you need it. Email us and find out how fast we are at responding. We love doing customer service and we love helping you guys. All right, guys, we'll see you later. God bless you. Links are in the description of everything you need to click, and I'll see you guys later. Bye, guys.